Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make copper tools in Minecraft. First, you need to find copper ore, which generates underground in various biomes. Once you have the ore, smelt it in a furnace to create copper ingots. It's important to note that in the standard version of Minecraft, you cannot directly craft tools from copper ingots. This is a common misconception, so let's clarify how to achieve this. To craft copper tools, you'll need to use a mod. There are many excellent community-made mods that add this functionality to Minecraft. Your first step is to install a mod loader, such as Fabric or Forge, which are essential for running most mods. After setting up your mod loader, you can then download a specific mod that includes copper tool recipes. Always ensure the mod is compatible with your game version. Once you have a mod installed, the crafting process is similar to other tools. Copper ingots will be your main material. You'll typically combine these ingots with sticks on a crafting table in the standard tool shape. For example, 3 ingots across the top and 2 sticks below for a pickaxe. Remember, the exact patterns and required materials can vary slightly depending on the specific mod you're using. Copper tools, when added through mods, often provide unique benefits, such as different durability values or mining speeds compared to stone or iron. They can serve as a valuable early-game alternative, bridging the gap before you find enough iron. This adds another layer of progression and choice to your gameplay. Also, remember to check the description below for links to the mods mentioned and other great deals, including the O-Ala water bottle, to keep you hydrated on your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.